This is going to the. This is going to the Animal Company Discord. You are ruined. They're every. Stop spawning up.
So you're telling me out of 100 suitcases
David's here,
that I
chat.
grab a one singular
Stop,
bag
David.
out of like 100 suitcases? How does that work?
None of them are rare. They're all duped multiple times.
Yeah, but we want to sell them, don't we?
Then sell them.
Yeah, we're just letting. We're
So
swimming in the money, chat. Yabba dabba doo. Yabba dabba dee.
Oh, you're a galaxy?
There's a white one. Oh no, it's blue. Never mind. Die to camp. Whoa. We know which one's more stronger. Go flying, my children. Oh, there's a white one. I found a white one. Well, it's got a blue
Guys,
shield.
we should just send them. Wait, get big, get big. Wait, get big, broccoli.
Oh, look at all those.
Get big, broccoli. You'll become big. And then you can pick them.
Use big
Pick them all
broccoli.
up.
Nothing.
Oh my
you
God.
can do better than that. Shoot.
Yo, shut your goofy ass up. We're gonna be getting the best stuff in the game.
Guys, I'm coming with my micro broccoli and stuff. I mean, big mega broccoli.
Yeah, like micro broccoli, dude. You're bringing that?
I became a princess overnight, and now we gotta.
Stop singing.
Just wait until we sell all these, bro. How much money do you think
Wow! Wow!
Some people.
we're gonna get? Right now, how much money are you? 20 billion.
Yeah.
There's barely any, dude. You could do better than this.
Overnight.
Where's
I lost my
the
controller.
Can you sell? I want
Yeah,
some
you can
money
sell.
now. Can you sell?
where is Diane at?
Can you sell it too? We're not doing all the work for you.
Okay, I'll stop.
Where is Diane with
Yeah, I'm
that?
playing.
I'm on Tylenol. Chat.
Hey, I'm playing.
Who, me?
Oh, not you, not you.
Oh.
I need silence.
I'm gooning to you guys.
Why am I so slow? I'm not even.
Alright, fine.
Somebody call me an elf. Somebody call me an elf today, guys. I'm fine.
Cause you are an elf.
Give us suitcase. Don't give us suitcases. Give us nut shredders.
You. You.
What is this?
I'm all scared.
How many cases are there?
You.
Look at Leonte, bro.
I need. What's your name? Yeah, you.
What?
Whoa!
I want to show you something very cool. I found out.
You figured out your mod. Now you're a
I
modder.
was kind of doing
Look,
something. You
there's
gonna?
this new fucking map.
Yeah, you just learned
There's
that.
not a new map.
Yeah, there's a new map. New game mode. You have to hit mode on the game mode thing.
Is it even that fun though?
Oh, broken.
Yeah.
You do.
They added one slide, and that's the funnest part about it. You don't even...
What about the new map game mode? There is.
Here, join me. I'll show you how to do it.
Empty map. It teleports.
Well, you can just do it in here, dog.
Keep pressing. Now you do
Okay.
it. I can't see
Hey.
Jack.
Nothing.
What up?
Whoa! That was like weird.
Yo, wait, guys. I don't think. Wait, okay, never mind.
Bro literally said okay, never mind.
Hey, you with the steam pump. Hey, you, cat, come. Still moving negative.
There's a secret mode.
Is David in here?
Press mode, and you'll go in a testing map.
My game's gonna
Stop, David.
No, I'm stuck in here.
Oh no.
No, why
died.
did you have to?
Rip guy. Oh, you're David! David, stop!
Bro, no.
David, stop!
No.
Everyone scream David, stop at the white
Stop calling
steampunk
me
guy.
The thing on my VR. Call me on my VR.
Guys,
Or
the
admin.
white
I'll be on-
steampunk guy, his name is David.
I'll have
Scream,
you on
stop,
the
David.
No, it
Adam.
isn't.
I'll be on Discord.
The one that the orange guy with like the brown hair, his name is
No,
Poopy.
only on Discord.
Yeah, my mommy's a great name.
I know.
My mommy gave me a great name. Poopy Head.
You guys want more live?
I know, right? Because you look like a poopy.
My mama great name. Mama gave me a great name called Poopy Head. Poopy Head. Very believable.
Oh, is that your thing lagging? Hey, you steampunk guy.
Is that furry?
White steampunk, come.
His name is David.
Come here.
Ah! The lag!
I know, bro. I
Why do I
already
have
pressed it. It's name mode.
Make it stop lagging.
Never.
Sorry, we can't
Stop
do that.
spawning suitcases, spawn
everybody
shredders.
pull
They're
out
way better. I'm not complaining.
What
though.
happened? I gained a mil. I gained 1 mil. Open.
Hi, David.
Hey, Poopy Head.
Unbelievable name. I've never heard someone with the name David. Shred them! Get shredders and shred them! The suitcases.
Can you shred shredders?
Yeah.
Yes.
But I was shred.
I have enough money. I feel like I have enough money.
Oh, you can't do with them in there.
I have
400,000. Just
Why can't? Oh, here we go.
Yo, is it the bonus mode?
You can say that.
Yo, bro, I'm gonna be a millionaire. I'm gonna be a millionaire.
4,000 are my
100 million, $1 million. Yo, billion, Julian. Billion.
How are you supposed to fix this? No, how are you supposed to fix this? Bro, can someone like
Let's be safe then.
David, you scared me. Stop, David.
Coda finds us, we're cooked.
I'll kiss Coda for you guys. You'll stop. Oh,
So you better kiss Coda, because he's gonna cook us all if he finds us in the video.
I'm recording this. I'm gonna report this to the Animal Company Discord. I'm joking, dog. I'm joking, but I am recording
No, bro, I
this.
don't want to get banned.
That's my whole entire account. That's my whole entire account.
He wouldn't ban you. He would ban the modder.
No.
Cause he's not gonna ban innocent people who don't have mods.
But that's supposed to be your Arcade is supposed to be hard.
I don't know.
What?
Yeah, I know.
Bro, I'm making a video.
Making a video about
Yo, I got the galaxies.
if you record a video while doing this, your headset's literally gonna crash.
Stop saying that in the call. Bro, I swear, I feel like I'm gonna.
Oh, guys, I hope my teachers reported
I'm saying that in the call, bro.
Oh, it's full. I thought my hand was under. Whoa, wait, what is that? Grab me, grab you.
Hey, white blue.
Oh, let's see, oh, it's cool. I like the new buying system. That's so fun, but so stupid all at the same time. Like, dog, why do I need that? Why do I need to do a whole thing just to?